Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a heat every 4 times a week, the place where magic begins. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this Xxxtentacion Drumkit download. It's crazy, man. Y'all know how we do it here in Believers Records. We always kill it. So this Drumkit was actually requested by one of you. So he goes by the name Sean Lazo. So Sean Lazo, I hope this Drumkit actually fulfills your desires. I hope it has everything everything that you've been looking for in that Xxxtentacion drum kit. So before we actually get into this, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So there's some crazy things. There's some crazy things for you guys here. There's some crazy things for you, man. So there's some 808s, there's some claps, there's some congos, there's some hi-hats, there's some kicks, there's some loops, there's some one shots, there's some open hats, there's some percussion and snares, nicely processed as always. So I'm gonna start you off first with the loops. So they're ready here, loaded up. So all I gotta do is just press play. So let's go ahead and listen to that. So that's it for the loops. So let's check out the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna start off first with the 808 here. So yeah, that is. So yeah, so that's it for the kid, bro. So that's it for the sauce, man. So it's crazy, isn't it? So make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number. And yeah, so this is what I'm actually this is what I've been talking about, bro. If you guys have suggestions about what you guys would like to see on this channel, just like Sean Lazo did, just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, and I'll deliver. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.